The Freedom Framework, 3 steps to daily income, even if you're starting late. You don't need a following, you need a formula. Let me show you what I call the Freedom Framework, Evan. The same system that helped me go from burnout to balance in my 70s. Step 1, learn a skill that pays daily. Most people have skills that only earn weekly or bi-weekly. I learned a skill once, and now it pays me again and again. Step 2, use automation to multiply your time. You don't need to be everywhere. Systems can do the heavy lifting, so you can get your life back and enjoy yourself. Step 3, plug into mentorship and support. If I hadn't had a mentor, I would have quit. You need a circle that believes in your freedom before you do. Here's what freedom has looked like for me. Grocery shopping without a calculator. Time with my family without checking the clock. Waking up with a purpose and not panic. I don't say this to impress you. I say this to show you what is possible for you as well. And the truth, it's not about how fast you move. It's about choosing to move at all. If something inside you is saying, it's time, listen to that little voice within yourself. If you missed part 1 or part 2, go watch part 1, the patterns that keep you powerless. Part 2, my strategic reset, what I changed and what happened next. On my next mini-series, which will be mini-series 8, I will mention the title once I decide what I want to do as a topic. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start building something real, comment ready, and I'll send you exactly what I follow daily. Let's build your freedom together. Next up will be Series 8.